In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PowerPoint presentation to Canva for easy editing and designing. Whether you want to add a little more pizzazz to your slides or simply exploit Canva's vast array of design tools, this process is straightforward and quick. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva home. If you haven't visited Canva before, go ahead and head over to their website and log in, or create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. This is your launching pad to all the creative magic Canva offers. Now that you're on the Canva homepage, you'll notice a Create button. This button is your gateway to beginning a new design. Go ahead and click on Create. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear displaying various options to start a new project. What you want to do next is to select Upload. This option is like opening a door to your computer's files, allowing you to bring external work, like your PowerPoint presentations, into Canva for further customization. After clicking Upload, you'll see the option Upload Files. Once you click on that, you're essentially telling Canva that you want to fetch something from your computer. This is where you'll need to find your PowerPoint presentation. If you know exactly where it's saved, go ahead and browse for it now. Once you've located your file, simply click on it and then select Open. This action will begin the upload process. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this might take a moment. As your PowerPoint file is uploading, you might see a progress bar indicating how long it might take. Once the upload is complete, Canva will convert your PowerPoint file into a format that allows for full editability within its platform. Now you can leverage Canva's robust suite of design tools to make any changes you want, whether it's adding some new graphics, changing fonts, or applying one of Canva's beautiful templates for a complete makeover of your presentation. And just like that, you're done. With your PowerPoint now in Canva, you can start customizing to your heart's content. This simple uploading process opens the door to a world of design possibilities that can make your presentations more engaging, visually appealing, and uniquely yours. Don't forget to save your work as you go and enjoy exploring all the creative options Canva has in store for you. That brings us to the end of our tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to dive into your creative journey with Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.